Welcome to Active English Training. My name is Ingrid, and in this video I'm going to describe a photograph step by step to help you structure your picture descriptions well and of course learn some vocabulary. The picture is about friendship and shows two women having a one-on-one conversation. In this picture you can see two young women having a chat. They are sitting on a couch close to each other with their bodies turned towards each other. The woman on the left with light brown hair is holding a cup of coffee or tea and is looking at her friend and smiling. The woman on the right is probably the one talking, and it seems like they're having a longer and more personal one-on-one conversation. As the woman on the right is gesturing with her hand while her friend is smiling and listening closely, I think she's talking about something exciting, something positive that happened in her life. They both look comfortable and happy to be catching up on what's been going on in their lives. In the background, you can see a bookshelf with a few plants and books. There's also a large plant, green plant in the corner, and light is coming through the window on the right side. And they're sitting on what looks like a small two-seater couch. These two women could be close friends or roommates even, catching up over coffee or tea. They're dressed casually, suggesting that it's at the weekend or in the afternoon, and they're probably in one of the women's living rooms and talking about what's been happening in their lives or sharing exciting news. In my opinion, having a good conversation with a friend is one of the best ways to stay connected and build a strong friendship. Whether you're talking about something serious, giving each other advice, or just catching up, it helps friends understand each other on a deeper level. It's very important to have someone close who you can talk to and who listens when you need to share something personal, something important, or something happy.